Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the minimum safe integer. It in this property it is the lowest property while the comparison operators and the other operators, later than greater than, gonna work. Besides, it not gonna work if it's less than that number. It's this property goes hand in hand with the max safe integer. So what we're gonna do is, just first I'm gonna show you what that is. So log it on a console. Number dot min safe integer, and it will returns you the highest number. That doesn't mean that you can't go lower than that. That means you can go, like, see, you can go that, but the comparison operator won't work. Like, let me show you an example. First, what I'm gonna do is put this value inside a variable, something like x, and now what I'm gonna do is just create another and call it y. So it won't recognize the difference. Your JavaScript engine won't recognize the difference between your, like, I mean, your this number and this number. It will say true, but the moment you go that means more than that, it will say false. This is the last number while the comparison operator can work. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.